country.
Maybe you still have your flowers. Why is it?
Because I wanted to give it
Yun na nga.
time, airtime. I wanted to give the flowers airtime because the I don't know who gave this, but the people who gave this made efforts to go to a flower shop and buy flowers.
Okay.
So I wanted to give it airtime. Just to say thank you to those who took time to
Okay.
buy flowers. They know I love flowers, so
Thank
that's
you po.
that's hospitality.
Okay, address na tayo.
Okay.
Now,
hospitality.
she will now address the Filipino community. Harap ka na dito, BPO.
Dito sa-
Okay, because this is the media, okay? So, ito. Ma'am, baby.
Muna ka na, sir. Sir.
Hey, go ahead, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Ay, sir.
Go ahead, po.
Ate, ate. Ate. Sorry, ate, ha. Wait lang. Ate, punta ka na dito sa harapan.
So, drop muna tayo. May ano tayo doon na video.
Halika. Wait. Sino magkagay? Sino magkagay? Oo ka. Sandali ka. Sino magkagay? Sandali pa.
Walang daan dyan. Dito.
Ma'am, sa baba po. Huwag kayo kanyan.
Ate.
Ano ba susunod ba tayo sa kanila?
Sir tayo, te.
Hindi tayo makakain.
Ha? Ate.
James, ang Mike James.
Huwag magtulakan kasi ng para nahirapan din kayo. At yan ang pakasana. Ma'am, okay na ma'am.